So dito nyo malalaman, like mother, like daughter.
Yay! Buka pa ulit! Tayo sa Diamonds.
Ayan, so magpapakilala po ako. Ako po si Babylyn Lopez Gonzalez. So I've met my second mother before COVID sa isang awarding. So that time, I became a Jibadi elite. So, why I'm sharing this business with you? Because for me, yung taong nag-share sa akin, he's a millionaire's maker. So this is really true because before, we had people that we know na he earned like 500 million in just 1 year. So
And
this
came
is
from
real,
General Santos
and
City.
yeah, this person is came from same place with Mother Stella, and not only him, so many leaders na po yung yumaman na kasamahan ko po. So this business introduced to me, and I did not say no. Yes po ako kasi sa previous company na sinalihan ko, marami na pong yumaman. So sino ba ang ayaw yumaman? Diba? So lahat tayo gustong yumaman dito. And I joined this business because this business is fresh, and we are opening our office in Makati end of this month. So I'm inviting all of you to witness and our office. So ayan nga no, for me, I think as we all know that diamonds is really expensive, right? So you are wondering if is it possible that I will have my own diamond for this amount of money? And I cannot share with you because this is, I want you to be curious, all of you, how this company do it for you. So it is a millions for the diamonds, but this company will start, if you will join, you will just start for like $100 only. Okay, so I cannot share with you right now the slides because I am not authorized. Dahil nga, dahil nga we are opening our office. So I'm gonna share to you maybe one-on-one talk if you are interested later, you know, not right now. So para exciting, you know, na i-share ko sa inyo yung business. And I am inviting all of you this coming January 21 to our office in Alscopil Building. At 31 at Alscopil Building sa Edison Street in Makati, kung sino yung may alam sa inyo.
Share ko sa
So, Mother Stella will be there, and some of the people that of course, all of us, you can go and you can meet the CEO of the company and 001 in 188 countries worldwide, and you will meet the person who have the breaking the records of the multi-level marketings, that one of the person that we've known personally earned 500 million pesos in just 1 year. So is it, siguro hindi nyo kilala yung mga taong yun, no? But actually, most of them also joined to this company again and again. So, ayan lang po, no, hindi pa ako mag-share para at least exciting. So, if you want to know about the business later,
Go to the office.
we can, yeah, you can go to the office, or I can share to you later na lang. So, after that, dinner.
Yay!
So, if you wanna listen, then I am open. Okay? Thank you very much for listening and enjoy your meal.
Thank you, Miss Jill. Thank you, Princess.